Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss square and square roots. Okay. So in previous class you studied area of square. Suppose this is a square. Okay. And the side of square is given a a a. You know very well all side equal of square. So area of square area of square is equal to side into side. You can say square of side. Okay. Also you can say square of, because here this is a given the side of square is a. So area of square is square of sides. Okay. Similarly you find the square of numbers. Okay. So what is square numbers? Square number is that square number is the product of the number by itself. Okay. Square of the number is the product of the number by itself. If here you can see square of numbers, area of square side into side. Suppose you need to find square of any numbers. Suppose we need to find square of 9. So square of 9 is product of the number, means product of the 9 by itself. So here you can see this is 9, product of 9 itself. So 9 into 9. This is called square of 9. 9 into 9 is 81. So square of 9 you can say this is equal to 81. So similarly you find the some natural number, square of some natural numbers up to 20. Let's see. So here we draw two columns. First column is natural numbers and the second column is squares. Okay. So natural number 1. So square of 1 is, it means that this reduce square of 1. This is equal to square of number is product of the number by itself. Okay. So product of the number is 1. So product of number is 1 into 1. This is equal to 1. Okay. Now next natural number is 2. So square of 2 you can write here square of 2. So product of this number 2 is 2 into 2. This is equal to 2 to the 4. Now next is 3. So square of 3 is equal to 3 into 3. This is equal to 9. Square of 4. Square of 4 is equal to 4 into 4. This is equal to 16. Square of 5 is equal to 5 into 5. This is equal to 25. Square of 6. Square of 6 is equal to 6 into 6. This is equal to 36. Square of 7. You can write it square of 7. This is equal to 7 into 7. 7 7 ja 49. Okay. And next is square. Next natural number is 8. The square of 8 is, you can write 8 into 8. This is equal to 64. And next is 9. So you can write here square of 9 is equal to 9 into 9. This is equal to 81. And next natural number is 10. Square of 10 you can write 10. Square of 10 is equal to 10 into 10. This is equal to 100. Okay. So you can see here square of 1. Okay. So 1. Square of 2 is 4. So here unit place is 1. Here unit place is 2. And square of 3 is 9. Okay. 3 3 is 9. So unit place is 3. but the square of 4 you can see here 16. Square of 4 is 16, but in at units place digit is 6. Square of 5 is 25, at unit place digit is 5. Square of 6 is 36, unit place digit is 6. Square of 7 49, unit place digit is 9, and also square of 8 is 64, unit place digit is 4. Square of 9, this is equal to 81, unit place digit is 1, and square of 10 is 100, unit place digit is 0. So you can observe here and that unit place digit of square number is maybe 0 here, 1, 4, this is 5, 6 and 9. Okay, if any numbers have unit place digit 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, then the number must be square numbers. Okay, the square number is also called perfect square. Okay, the square number, this is the square number, this is the square number of 2, this is square number. Okay, so square number is also called perfect squares. Okay, the square of natural numbers are called square numbers or perfect squares. There you can see this is square of natural numbers, then this is one, this is called square numbers or perfect squares. Okay, you understood? Any number have square numbers only them if the unit place of the given number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. If any one number of the given numbers is unit place of the given number, then that number must be square numbers. Okay, if 2, 3, 2, 3 and 7, 8, if these numbers have unit place of any numbers, it means that the given numbers is not perfect square. Or okay, if any number has unit place 2, 3, 7, 8, then given number is not perfect square. Okay, like this 287, this is not perfect squares. Okay, if any numbers like that 144, so this is a perfect square because the unit place of this number is 4. If any number have unit place 4, they must be perfect square. Okay, square numbers. This is clear. Now all natural numbers are not perfect square. You know that natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is natural number and so on. So all natural number is not perfect square because perfect square is only 1. You can see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. These are perfect number. Except this number, they are not perfect numbers. Okay, understood? And the unit place of perfect number, you can see if any number have perfect numbers, then the unit place of these numbers may be 1, 0, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay, if any numbers are perfect numbers, the unit place of that number will be maybe 0, maybe 1 or 4, 5, 6 or 9. Any these are one numbers. Okay, if 2, 3, 7 and 8 at the unit place digit of any given number, it means that the given number is not perfect square or square numbers. Okay, and here you can see the all natural number is not perfect square, only 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 144, 169, 200 something and so on. are perfect square numbers. We will discuss later up to 30 square numbers. Okay, now, and square numbers, or you can say a perfect square, can be always expressed as the product of pair of equal prime factors. Okay, any perfect numbers is given, so you can express it the pairs of equal prime factors. Suppose this is a 44, this is perfect numbers or not. If you express it, if you able to express it the equal prime factors, pair of equal prime factors, then you can say the given number is perfect number or square numbers. Here you can say 4 is perfect number or not. So first we express it in a prime factors. So prime factor of 4 is 2 into 2. So you can see here this is a pair of equal prime number, equal prime factors. Okay, this is a pair of equal prime factors. And now 36 is, what is the prime factorization of 36? You can write it 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So one way to know the given number is perfect number, square or not, square number or not. So first we write it in prime factorization, and after this we check the given prime this number, the prime factorization of this number is a pair of equal prime factor or not. You can say this is a pair. Okay, this is a pair of equal prime factors. So you can say this is a perfect square or square numbers. Okay, and suppose you have like this 38. So you can express 38 like this 19 into 2. So here you can see this is not pair of equal prime factors. Okay, so this is a not square. Square numbers are perfect squares. Okay, now we are going to find non-square numbers between two consecutive square numbers. Okay, for examples, we take 4 and 5, two consecutive numbers. So how many non-square number between square of 4 and square of 5? So square of 4 is, square of 4 you can write, square of 4 is equal to and 16, and square of 5 you can write this is equal to 25. Okay, so how many non-square numbers between them? So 17. Okay, 16, 17, 16 square numbers, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. This is a non-square number between two square numbers. 16 is square numbers and 25 is also square numbers. Okay, okay, so this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means that this is double of smaller numbers. 5 is greater than 4, and this is a non-square number between two square consecutive square numbers is 8. This is double of small numbers, because here you can say 4 is less than 5. Okay, and next examples for this, find the number between consecutive square number. Okay, 3, square of 3 is equal to 9, and square of 2 is equal to 4. So non-square number between 4 to 9 is that 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you can also show this is a double of smaller numbers. This is 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is double of smaller number. So you can say if two consecutive number is n and n plus 1. If two number is that square. Okay, so non-square between these two square number is 2n. Okay, what is the non-square number between these two square number? when they are consecutive. So 2n, it means that is double up smaller numbers. Okay, it means that double up smaller numbers. Let's see one more example. One question here: how many natural numbers lies between square of 9 and square of 10? It means that how many non-square numbers lies between square of 9 and the square of 10. We know that the non-square numbers lies between two given consecutive numbers is doubles of the smaller numbers. So here you can say 9 is smaller than 10. Okay, so double of smaller numbers. So, and the small number is 9. So double of smaller number is 9 into 2, 18. Okay, so you can say here 18 natural number lies between square of 9 and the square of 10. This is clear? I hope all of you understood, and you are able to find if two consecutive numbers given and you ask how many numbers between them or how many non-square number between them, you can find. You multiply by 2 in the given smaller numbers. Okay, if here given suppose 24 square of 24 and here 25, so what is the number between them? So you can see here 24 is the smaller than 25. So number of natural numbers lies between square of 24 and square of 25 is double of smaller number. So smaller number is 24. So double of smaller number is 24 to the 48. So 48 natural number lies between square of 24 and square of 25. Students, one thing I want to clear here: the square of even number is even numbers. Let's see. 2 is a even number. Square of 2 is equal to 4. This is also even numbers. 6 is even number. Square of 6 is 36. This is also even numbers. Okay. Square of 8. 8 is even number. So square of 8 is also even number. This is 64. Okay. And the square of 8 odd number is also odd numbers. Okay. So you can see here 1 is odd number. 1 is odd number. So square of 1 is 1. This is also odd number. 2 is odd. 3 is odd number. So square of 3 is 9. This is also odd numbers. 5 is odd numbers. Square of 5 is 25. You can see this is also odd numbers. And 9 is odd number. So square of 9 is 81. This is also odd number. So you can say that the square of even number is even numbers and the square of odd number is odd number. This is clear? If any numbers have odd zero number, suppose like this, suppose this is a 100. So here you can see the unit place is 0. So this is a perfect square. Okay, and suppose here this is 0 is even number. 0 is in even numbers. So then this is a perfect square. If 0 is in odd numbers, 1, 2, 3 in odd numbers, so then it is not perfect square. Clear? If the number of 0 is in even number, then it is perfect square. If the number of 0 is in odd numbers, then it is a not perfect square. Okay, here 0 is in odd number, so this is not perfect square. But here 100, this is 0 is in even numbers, so this is perfect square. This is equal to 10 into 10. Okay, or you can write 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. You can see here the prime factor. This is a equal pair of equal prime factors. Okay, if any numbers have pair of equal prime factors, then you can say this is a square number or perfect squares. Okay, this is a way to know the given number is perfect square or not. Okay, if you express it in the pair of equal prime factors. Okay, now we are going to discuss how to find the square of if the unit digit is 5. Okay, suppose you need to find the square of 35. Okay, you need to find the square of 35. Then what will you do? So first we add, this is a 10 digit number. So first we know square of 5. Square of 5 is 25. Everybody know. So we write here 25. Okay. This is unit place is 5. So square of 5 is 25. We write here 25. After this is 3. So we write it the product of 3 plus 1 into 3. It means that we add the tens place digit, and after this we multiply that numbers also. So here the tens place digit and next digit is 3. So first we add 3 1 in 3, it's become 4. 3 plus 1 4. After this we multiply 4 by 3. This is equal to 12. So we write here 12. This is square of 35. Okay, let's see more example. For example, 45. We need to find the square of 45. So first here 5. So square of 5 is 25. So we write here 25. After this is 4. So we add 1. We plus 1 in 4. So 4 plus 1. This is equal to 5. After this 5 multiply by this 4. Okay, this 5 multiply by this 4. So 4 5 ja 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So square of 45 is equal to 2025. Okay, now suppose you need to find square of 75. Okay, so square of 75 you need to find here. So square of this is 5. So 5 5 ja 25. Square of 5 is 25. And now we plus 1 in this 7. This is equal to 8. Now this 8 is multiplied by this 7. So 7 8 into 7 56. We write here 56. Okay, so you have to take more example to find the square of the number whose unit place is 5. Suppose you need to find square of 95. Okay, so 95 square of 95. So here the unit place is 5. So 5 5 by 25 you can write here. Okay, now if you add plus 1 in 9, so 9 plus 1, this is equal to 10. Okay, so this 10 multiply by this 9. So 10 9 is 90. So in this way you can say square of 95 is 9025. Okay, if you need to find the square of 100, suppose 5, 105. So this is a 25. You can write here 25 and plus 1. So this becomes 11. 11 10 ja 110. Okay, this is equal to square of 105 is 11,025. Or you can find such types square if the unit place digit is 5 in 1 or 2 seconds. Suppose you need to find square of 85. Okay, so 5 here you write here 25 and 8 plus 1 9. 9 at ja 72. Okay, so you can see this is square of 85, 7225. Okay, so student, I hope all have understood how to find and the square if any numbers is given at unit places 5. And in general we find square multiply by number itself. For examples, you can see if you need to find any square of the given number, Suppose you need to find square of 12, so it means that we multiply 12 two times. 12 into 12. So square of 12 is equal to 144. Clear? The square of 13. The square of 13 is equal to 169. Now adding odd numbers. You can see odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. This is odd number. So if this is 1 odd numbers, so you can also write this is equal to square of 1. Okay, 1 plus 3. This is two odd numbers. So sum of two odd numbers is equal to 4. Okay, so this is square of 2. It means that first two odd numbers is square of 2 number. Okay, and 1 plus 3 plus 5. This is the first three odd numbers. It means sum it 1 plus 3 9 4 plus 5 9. Okay, this is 9 is square of 3. This is square of 3. You can see here this is first three odd numbers. So sum of first three odd number is square of 3 means 9. Let's see first sum of first four odd number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, 1 4 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 is equal to, what is 16 is the square of 4. 16 is the square number of perfect numbers. This is the square of 4. So this is a sum of first. This is a sum of first four odd numbers. So this is equal to sum of this is equal to square of 4. And 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. The sum of the first five odd number is 25. Okay, the sum of first five odd number is 25. 25. This is equal to square of 5. Okay, now let's next sum of six odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 after this plus 11. This is equal to 36. Okay, so 36 is square of 6. Okay, this is sum of. So you can find the sum of consecutive sum of first 8 odd numbers, first 9 odd numbers, first 10 odd numbers, and without adding you can find their sums. Okay, here you can see this is sum of first 6 odd numbers. It means this is square of 6. Suppose we find 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So what 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. So what is their sum? Without adding, we know their sum. First you count only how many odd numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, if you count it, if you sum it, so if you kill more times, only count how many odd numbers are here. So you count here how many odd number here? 11 odd numbers. So square of 11, square of 11 is 11 into 11. You can write the sum of these first 11 odd number is square of 11. This is equal to 121. Okay. So student, in this way you also find the square root of the given numbers, or you can also check the given number is square number or not. You subtract odd numbers from ones one by one, and if this is equal to int, this is equal to at 0, then you can see the given number is odd number. So then I hope all of you understood what is square numbers and what is properties of square numbers, and what is the unit place of square numbers. Okay, so thank you for watching. Jai Hind.